So past that, I think there's two questions you want to ask yourself when figuring out, is this strategy going to make me money? The first question is going to be, does this strategy work over the long run? Will this work 6 months from now? Did it work 6 months ago? Is this going to work in a year? Did it work a year ago? Those are important questions to understand, especially if you're trading a technical strategy like mine. Fundamental strategies change as macroeconomic events change, but technical strategies, technical analysis, like the trade you see here behind me on EuroCAD, this was a technical trade. This is what we teach in our course. And these strategies, they're bread and butter strategies. They don't change very often, if at all. We haven't even modified. Go look at my markups. I challenge you, go to my Instagram. It's linked here. Go to my Instagram, go look at 2016, 2015 posts. They look identical to this. I've been using the same systems since then. And that's the first question you want to ask yourself. Can that system make me money over the long term? I don't care what it does today. I don't care if it makes me $10 million today. If it's not going to make me in the long run, make me money in the long run, I'm not trading it. I'm not. So that's the first question. The second question is, can you repeat it every single day? Because if you can't, what's the point in even trying to do it? If you're not able to confidently stand on your own 2 feet and repeat that strategy every day, win or loss, regardless, because you just care about the process, not the outcome, if you can't do that, then it's not a profitable strategy to me. So it's two separate questions, like I said. It's, can you repeat this process, and will it make me money over the long run? That's what you have to ask yourself before you just jump in and try to trade any strategy that you see. Again, I was you. I was the new trader that got sucked into believing, yeah, every strategy works. I just got to bounce around until I find the one that works for me. That is not true. You got to find one that's proven profitable, and that one that is going to make you money over the long run, and one that you can repeat every single day. There's not many people that are teaching profitable systems out there. And especially again, you guys know I don't like to brag at all, but I don't know how else to say it. There's not many people teaching strategies like we teach at ASFX that are precise entry signals, precise exit signals, precise risk management, and really taking you from A to Z, from not knowing anything to knowing exactly how to get in and exactly how to get out and exactly how to put more money in your pocket. Like, I need to start talking about that more directly. This is going to put more money, cash money. Where's my wallet? I don't keep that much cash on me anyway. Cash money in your pocket if you can understand that not every strategy works, and especially not every strategy works over the long run. So you need to do your work. I'm not selling you my courses today. That is not what I'm doing. If you want it, you know how to get a hold of it, right? I'm telling you, you need to go find someone or a strategy that's been taught, and you need to make sure that it's proven profitable over the long run, 6 to 12 months. And you need to make sure that you can repeat the process and the rules that are needed to be followed in that system every single day. Because if you can't, don't even start trading it. Just go find a system that you can trade every single day following the same pattern and that is proven profitable. It's an intersection of both of those things. That's where the sweet spot is.